Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So finally, after 3 days of indecisive price action by Nifty, we saw Nifty slipping towards 15,700 levels. A day before yesterday, we saw a hanging man. I am talking about candlestick perspective. That was mainly due to Adani issue. And yesterday we saw a doji pattern, and today we saw Nifty slipping or closing in negative. Whenever there is a doji pattern in the charts, we can see market reversing, and that is what happened today. But is this a trend reversal? We have to wait and watch. Unless until Nifty closes below 15,700, we could we could see Nifty going back to 16,000 levels. So we are still bullish and we stand by that. And the reason for the VIX to India VIX to shoot today and prices in Nifty falling significantly is due to event in US federal rate decision, which is scheduled to come tonight. So everybody is keen about US federal rate decision, so we have to watch on that. So the comment, I believe most of the market analysts are saying is that US Federal Reserve will have a status quo. So they are not going to change the interest rate, but however their commentary on economy and inflation is going to be a big is something what we have to keenly watch, what they are going to tell. So that is what I am trying to say. And if you see one more thing, crude price, Brent crude is inching up higher. It is almost trading at around $75. That is the highest in last 1 year. So as India's major chunk of crude oil is imported from outside, so we have to look at that. You have to keep an eye on that. So whenever India crude prices increases, we are going to be in not big trouble. We have to look and keep an eye on that. That's it, right? And let us see the charts. Let's see what is happening in the charts. So this 15,700 level is going to be a good support, as we talked earlier. And this gap, yesterday I was talking about this gap, which was crucial, and it has broken today. But there was some effort, or there was some try to rebound, go upside, but one candlestick was not able to sustain that. Immediately we saw Nifty slipping towards 15,000. The lowest point was around 15,757 levels. So this is going to be an important level. Once this is breached, then we can see Nifty going towards 15,600 or 15,500 levels. This gap up, I was thinking this gap up should sustain for us to go towards 16,000, but that didn't happen. So let's see how things work out tomorrow. Maybe tonight, once that US Federal Reserve event is finished, we should be let's see what happens today. Fingers crossed. We cannot tell anything today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. And this is the 5 minutes chart. And if you see the daily chart, this is what I was talking about. 11th June also there was a doji pattern. 14th June there was a hanging man. 15th June there was a doji pattern, and finally we have slipped today. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow is an expiry, and market was very volatile today also. And if you see the open interest data, everything has changed. Yesterday there were more puts written, and today there are more calls written. And this is 17th June expiry. And if you see the Nifty OI open interest, there is 15,900 they are sold, 15,800 they have sold, 16,000 they have sold. So overall position, if you see, they have written more calls than put. So the market participants are expecting the markets to go down. That's what I think. And if in the Bank Nifty, already Bank Nifty is not supporting supporting this market. So same status like yesterday. What has happened? 35,000 there is good call rating, 35,500 there is good amount of call rating, and 36,000 there is good call rating. So everybody are writing calls in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is not going to go anywhere. Maybe it is going to consolidate or go on the downside trajectory. Since we are not trading much in Bank Nifty, we don't concentrate much on Bank Nifty or just plot the chart. So most of our trades are in Nifty only. So that's the reason we don't go deep into Bank Nifty. So that's it for today. I think everything should be fine, and we have squared off some, not squared off, we have mostly closed all our positions. Only 2 or 3 positions are there. Anyway, tomorrow is expiry, so we don't want to, and there is a big event, so we don't want to do anything, take risk and go. Maybe how much is the premium? Very less, right? 4 rupees, 5 rupees or 10 rupees. So we don't have to take so much risk. Our risk reward is not favorable in favor of us. So that's why we thought we close some of our position, most of our position, and maybe tomorrow we will get into new position. So that's it for today. Take care and goodbye.